my channel. My name is India Brianna, and today we're going to be doing some TikTok recipes. I really don't know what it's called. It's like Italian chicken pasta. That's what I'm going to call it. So we're just going to be using some chicken breast. Focus. This is the chicken breast I got. I found this because it looks healthy. It's no antibiotics ever. And it was humanly raised on family farms and is fed optimal diet of vegetables and grains. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I left the noodles. I forgot to buy the noodles, so we're gonna be using this penne noodles from HelloFresh. Any noodles really. You're gonna need 2 types of cheese. The first cheese I'm gonna do is the 4 cheese Italian. Focus, hello. Boom. And then the 4 cheese Mexican. So we're gonna have 8 cheeses. You're gonna need a stick of cream cheese. I just used Philadelphia. The main ingredient is the Olive Garden's Italian dressing. Hello. Focus. Well, y'all see it, right? Yeah. Boom. And then all my seasonings. Okay. I don't know, should I get y'all closer? Can y'all see? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna put y'all right here. So, first, and I already washed my hands. So, first thing, we're going to wash our chicken. And later in the video, she didn't season the actual chicken. She just seasoned everything in a crock pot. Oh, I'm gonna turn my crock pot on high so it can get hot. So yeah, I'm gonna season my chicken first. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with 2 because I only got a plate. And I'm gonna start seasoning it. First, you know, we gotta start off with the Lowry's seasoning salt. Then I'm using the pink Himalayan salt, just a little bit. Pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Let me open this. Slap your mama, honey. Don't play with me. And I'm gonna just put a little bit of Italian seasoning. And we're gonna flip it. So we're gonna put this in the crock pot. Make sure you get all of that seasoning. Okay. Wash my hands. Okay, so now that our chicken is seasoned, I just got them sitting in the crock pot, as you can see. And then now, let me see. Okay, so let me put y'all up here so y'all can see me in my crock pot. Boom, yeah. So now we just gonna clean up as you go. If your mama ain't tell you, I'm telling you, you have to clean up your area as you go, because we are not messy. I'm gonna leave the seasons out though, because I might season it again, because this was just seasoning the meat, but I might have to season, you know, the pasta as a whole. So we're just gonna leave that here. We got our food. So first, we're gonna take our Italian cheese, put that in there, the whole bag in the pot. And then we're gonna take our 1 stick of cream cheese and throw that in the pot too. I'm getting all of this because I paid for this. Okay. So now in the pot you should have your seasoned chicken, your Italian cheese, and 1 stick of cream cheese. And then now I'm gonna just put the top on it. And the crock pot, oh sorry. Okay, so our crock pot is on high and we're just gonna leave that on for 4 hours. Y'all, I forgot the sauce. Rewind. You're supposed to use 2 cups of this, but I don't have 2 cups. And then I saw in the comments people were saying it was too tangy, so I'm gonna do 2 cups and then I'm gonna add milk. But I'm not gonna add the milk until a few hours from now when it's focus. Hello. I'm gonna add the milk in a few hours, like around when it's almost done, so I can see how much to make it creamy basically. But I don't have 2 cups of this and I don't need 2 cups because they were saying it was tangy and I don't know about that. So let's see how much we have. So we have 1 cup. So I think we got 1 1/3 cups. So now everything is in the pot. And it is on high, like I said. It's on high. So now we're just gonna put the top on it. And we're gonna let it do its thing. And I'm gonna check on it. So I'll be back in about 4 hours. Okay, so my camera died, so I'm on the phone. And y'all gonna be like, she got no hairdo. But I recorded it. What? I'm showing how to make my food. Oh. Oh, okay. You can't help me.
Y'all was supposed to see how
it's my mom. Beautiful. I thought we should get the pointy piece.
I think that might be ready.
Oh, this is what I'm looking. This thing. You know, to help pull it apart. This right here.
Yeah, it's ready.
I'm hungry, y'all.
It's ready. Now you can start shredding it. Oh, and I put these in there too.
You put stuff in my thing?
Yeah, because I think you wanted to get Darnell some.
You know, I saw it. Okay, guys, so the food is done, but it's nasty. I don't like it.
What you think?
Exactly. She don't like it. It's nasty. nasty.
It's not nasty.
Don't try everything you see on TikTok.
It's
I'm
just
gonna be
a lot
real.
of chicken.
It's a lot of chicken.
Mhm.
The Italian dressing
Was
is
a little
not.
overpowering.
It don't belong in the pasta, but I knew that.
Mhm.
I just wanted to try it because they were saying it was busting. It is actually the opposite. The only thing that was good was just garlic bread. This was busting. It's 5 cheeses.
Mhm.
Everything else can go. I'm throwing it away.
Mhm.